For this week activity, we need to create a digital timeline. And we're going to do that using the RWT timeline. Just in case you're curious what RWT stands for, it means read, write, think timeline. So we have two ways to do that. It's either you install the application on your iPad or you just open a browser and click on the link, this link below. Okay, in this example, it will work the same either way. So, but in this example, I will use my laptop and we'll click on this link. So this window will show up just in case you have the same screen like mine. All you have to do is just to click on the Flash Player button and then click allow and it will show up. And this is the same thing that will show up on your iPad. So for your name, make sure you write your name. So this is just an example and then I'll put your last name, let's say. For project title, I will write tech timeline and remember that this box here will only accept up to 20 characters. And then click start. You will see this window and then at the middle part of the screen, you will see a grid line, which is where you will add the items. So for example, I'm going to click on the second line. This window will show up and I will write the first key event that I like from the history of the computers, and that is during 1837. Make sure in label box just write the year or the date. And for short description, you can write the name of the technology and the person who invented that, and more details in full description. Okay, so you're very easy. For a short description, so what happened on 1837? That is all about the Analytical Engine by Charles Babbage. Then let me just copy my notes. And it is considered to be the first general mechanical computer. Okay. And then you can also add an image. And this is Charles Babbage work. And then click OK. And then click the check button. And then you can just drag your items anywhere to arrange it. Okay. You can also click the dot to arrange your timeline if you want. If you want to edit the items, you can just double click on it and then you can edit again everything. Remember that the full description box, it will not appear in the timeline, but this text will show up in the print version of your file. So let me show you another example. This is going to be my second example, and this is one of my favorite, the history of computer during 1964, and that was when the computer mouse was invented by Mr. Douglas Engelbart. Okay, and then I'm gonna choose an image. That's him with the mouse, and click OK, and then you can put it here at the bottom part. So you just have to continue and finish until you have all the 7 technologies that you chose from the video that you watched. Once done, click finish and make sure to choose save final and save it. There you go. And then make sure to send that PDF file to me afterwards. Or you can post it on Toddle, and don't forget to write your I can statements in the caption. That's for your week 1.